Hey guys, this is Joseph, ABC Sewing Machines. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite home class of machines. It's a portable machine, but it's very industrial-like. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the Juki Tl-2010Q. Okay, a couple of the highlights of this machine which make it my favorite is majority of the parts are the same parts that the JUKI DDL-5550, the industrial single needle that Juki makes. Majority of those parts are compatible. The hook, the knives, the trimming system, the presser foot adjuster, the secondary thread tensioner, as well as a more fine-tuned tension dial, which allows you to kind of adjust it the way that you need to depending on the fabrics that you're working with. So if you're looking for a compact size, a portable home-style machine with an industrial power, this is a very highly recommended machine that I would gladly vouch my name behind. Okay, so we have the machine open from the box. It comes with the machine head, your extender base, which just slips on and slips off. Okay, you have a foot lifter, a knee lifter to raise up your presser foot. So instead of fummaging with the lever in the backside, you can easily access this just like you would an industrial machine. Okay, you have your pedal, your power cord, a pack of needles, your oil for the machine, one bobbin case, 5 bobbins, and a little assortment of the most popular feet. You have the walking foot attachment, the quilting or darning attachment, and a adjustable cording or zipper foot. Okay, this little tool right here is kind of like a 3-in-1 screwdriver. One is for the needle screw, one is for the needle plate, and this little small side is so you can adjust your bobbin case, the tension on your bobbin case. So when you look at home machines, most of them, they'll paint out the screw for the bobbin case because they really don't want you fummaging around with it. But that's kind of very limiting on the different fabrics that you can sew. So today in a later video, we'll show you a sew out of a very lightweight silk or chiffon, just a standard cotton t-shirt material. A couple layers of, a couple thicknesses of felt, even like denim and a vinyl material. Okay, so like I said, this is one of my favorite home style machines because it has so much power for the size that it is. And having the parts, the hook, the bobbin case, the knife system, the same as the industrial class machines, definitely puts it on the top of my list. Okay, so quickly we're going to go over just a general overview of the machine here. Right over here we have the stitch length adjuster dial. Okay, so it could go from 0 to 6 millimeters a stitch. We have our auto trimming function, the thread trimmer, cuts both the top and the bottom thread. We have our needle positioner, whether every time you stop, if you want the needle to be up or down, or if you want to just do a half a stitch. We have our reverse lever, our speed adjustment, okay, the bobbin winder right up on the top side. We have the thread stand in the upstroke, so you can use bigger size spools instead of limited to the small little baby spools that kind of fit on the sideway and feet outward. So you could use different weights of threads. Okay, right here we have the pressure foot adjusting guide. Okay, so this is adjusting the pressure of the foot with a little gauge right here of how much pressure that you're actually using. Okay, we have the needle threader, the auto needle threader. Okay, a little bit more easier. It's a one-touch system. And right over here on the right side, we have the feed dog height. So there's 2 steps. Right here, if you look at the triangles, this is so the feed dog will engage and grab the fabric. And if you want to go into the quilting side or the embroidery side, you could go ahead and toggle this over, which will go ahead and disengage the feed dogs. It will prevent it from coming up. Okay, as well as that knee lifter that I explained. Okay, so really one of my favorite home style machines. It's a compact machine with a really big bang. And, if you're a professional sewer or even a hobbyist, I mean, throw what you can, and we'll show that in a different video of really how far you can take this machine and what it can really do on a regular basis. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll go over all the details in the next video.